Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to mute specific group on Facebook Messenger. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! We know you love having a yarn with your mates and sharing memes on Facebook Messenger. We also appreciate how group convos on Instagram and WhatsApp help you to feel connected with when you maybe don't have enough time to hang out in person. And what if you want to mute the specific group on your Facebook Messenger? Maybe for some reason you feel uncomfortable with that group. It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Messenger. Now you can choose on the group that you want to mute. Maybe for the example, we choose this one. You can just tap and hold on the group like this until there is a pop-up option appear. There is an option mute. You can just tap on that. You can choose you want to mute this message notification, mute call notification, or you want to mute message and all notification and call notification. For example, we choose message and call notification. Now you can tap on OK. You can choose how long you want to mute this chat. For example, I will choose on until I change it. Now you can tap on OK. So the group has been mute on your messenger. It's so simple, right? So that is how to mute specific group on Messenger. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!